welcome back. Now, as you can see, this is like an older type of my videos. We've got the stump here, better distance, better tripod, better microphone. So we're trying this with some budget blades. Both of these are going to be about $20-ish on one end in its polymer sheath, clip-on. Both are plastic clip-ons. In its Puko style blade with a 4116 German cryo-quenched stainless steel is the Cold Steel Finbear. Interestingly, it's the smaller of the two between it and the Finhawk, but we're going to keep going. That's besides the point. It's Puko style with a hollow grind, very shallow hollow grind. Also in its polymer sheath, but in Swedish equivalent of 1095 high carbon steel. A much different style. Yeah, everyone knows what this is. This is the Morakniv Companion Heavy Duty. Now, I should point out both these have a modified spine so they can scrape fire steel. This is gonna be a budget bushcraft battle. So anyone who watches my videos from the DBK server, hi guys, miss you guys. You're gonna like this video. It's time for some bushcraft. First up, we're not even gonna bother chopping with these. We're gonna baton. We got some oak here. First up, we're gonna do the Finbear. There we go. Not too much of an issue. Most knives can baton anyway. Now the Mora. I should point out this is made in Taiwan. The Mora is of course made in Sweden. Also not an issue. Now first up, we're gonna do some. I'm gonna cut this part off by cross batoning. I really don't usually like doing that, but hey, it works. You're gonna do it with the Finbear as well. Definitely not an issue. You're gonna see which one carves a point better. We're gonna do this. I'm gonna get closer. Okay. Definitely full ways. People say hollow grinds are bad for bushcraft. I have never had an issue with them. It's not a bad point. So we're actually going to cut this off so I can do the same on the same side with the Mora. I gotta say, the Mora definitely has the more comfortable handle. Oop. Wow. You know, I didn't say hollow grind is bad for bushcraft, but Scandi is better. There's no doubt about that. Okay, actually, since I've gotten the rough work of it done, again, definitely not a bad point. Now next up is fire making. First up, we're gonna use these sticks. Actually, I think I'm gonna bring you closer, see if that'll work. Actually, it did work really well. I should move the baton. Definitely not bad. Okay, fire steel. Yeah, I'm just not that good at modifying spines, if you ask me. If you were to ask me. Oh, here we go. A sharp spine is what you need on every single bushcraft knife. Nice. We're gonna do some fat wood next, because in this style of video, I always did fat wood, so. Crap around here. There you go. Now. Remember why I stopped filming over here now. Ah, there we go. You can see it. Okay, well, it's still burnt. Okay, we'll stamp that out. Now the cold steel. Review. Another piece of pine. Yeah, both these woods I'm using to feather are pine. Wow. Okay. These aren't going to be your big, beefy, do everything and beat the crap out of them survival knives, but also not a bad feather sticker. Next, alright, you know where this is going. Almost had it that time. There we go, we have fire. This definitely has a better spine, but that's probably because I had to do less work with it. Next up's the fat one. I'm going to carve this away so I can scrape it easier. Okay, clear this away. We don't want any cheating. Wow. Like I said, the spine is just better. Like, I had to do less work. Like I said, I had to do less work. There it is. Usually never gives me this much trouble. There we go. That's what we're talking about. Like I said, the prices are going to be pretty similar. They're both going to run you about 20 bucks. So if you got 40 bucks, just get them both. If you got 40 bucks, just buy both. Because this is going to be your fire striker, and food prep, this is going to be your carver. But, like I said, just buy both if you got the money. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.